This one web page runs an entire sales funnel by itself. It takes a deposit, books a call, and then follows up for 10 days straight with no human touching it. There is no Stripe dashboard, no Calendly subscription, no email marketing service, and no monthly bill. Every piece is self-hosted on a single box that I own. A static page, a client-side payment button, a self-hosted calendar, and a marketing automation engine, all wired into one loop. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how it is built piece by piece so you could build it too. And if you would rather I just build it for you, that offer stands at the end. Let us get into it. Start with the offer, because the offer shapes everything else. The pitch is simple. I build you a working AI system in a day, and you see it run before you pay. The price is $997 total. You put down a refundable deposit of $100 to reserve the day, and the remaining $897 only after your demo actually works. That single promise, see it before you pay, is what the whole funnel has to deliver on. Now the stack, and the rule here is to own every layer and rent nothing. The landing page is one static HTML file served by Nginx with no framework and no build step. Payments run on PayPal's client-side buttons, so no server code ever touches a card. Booking runs on a self-hosted copy of cal.com. Follow-up runs on a self-hosted copy of Mautic, an open-source marketing automation engine, and every video on the page is generated by a local pipeline called Hyperframes, 5 moving parts, all on one machine, all yours. The page itself is deliberately old-fashioned, and that is a feature. It is a single file, 856 lines of handwritten HTML, CSS, and a little plain JavaScript. There is no React, no bundler, and nothing to compile. You edit the file and it is live. Up top is the offer, the price, and a grid of cards showing what I can build in a day. Each card embeds a short video demo, and there are 8 of these videos across the page. At the bottom sits a future-pacing bar that follows you as you scroll. It reads, "but by," and then a date you could have a working AI system. That date is never hard-coded. A few lines of JavaScript take today and add 3 days, so every visitor sees a deadline that is always 3 days out, automatically, forever. Small touches like that are what make a static page feel alive. Here is the part most people overcomplicate. Taking the money. You do not need a backend to accept a payment, and you must never put your secret key on a web page. This uses PayPal's client-side smart buttons, and the page only ever sees the public client ID. The secret key lives nowhere in the site, not in the HTML, and not in any file you deploy. When the button is clicked, Create Order builds a $100 order right in the browser. It tags the order with a description and tucks the buyer's email and name into a custom field, so you always know who paid. When PayPal approves, OnApprove calls capture, and the money is taken. Then the code reads the order details and redirects to a thank you page. It passes the order ID, the amount, and the buyer's first name and email along in the web address. That handoff is what connects the payment to the very next step, booking the call. The thank you page has one job: get that buyer onto your calendar before they cool off. Instead of paying for Calendly, this embeds a self-hosted copy of cal.com. A small loader script pulls in the embed, and then one call mounts the calendar right inside the page. It points at a dedicated event type, so this calendar only offers the build discovery session and nothing else. Now remember those address parameters we passed from the payment step. The page reads them back and pre-fills the booking form with the buyer's name and email. So the customer just picks a time. No retyping and no friction. A burst of confetti fires on load, because the moment someone pays should feel like a win. Payment and booking are now a single, continuous motion. This next part is the engine room, and it is where most funnels fall apart. The goal is a follow-up sequence that runs itself and never emails the wrong person. It runs on Mautic, the open-source automation engine, self-hosted alongside everything else. Start with the cold list, roughly 3,600 contacts. They get one lean broadcast, short, no heavy pitch, just a link to learn more. The clever part is what happens the instant someone visits the landing page. Mautic watches its tracking data. and a smart segment automatically captures anyone who hits the offer page. That filter matches on the visited web address, and the segment rebuilds itself on a schedule. The moment a known contact lands on the page, they drop into that visitor segment. And that segment is the source for an evergreen campaign, a per-person drip of 10 emails. The first email fires immediately, and each one after it waits a set interval chained one to the next. Every email reframes the same idea. I am closing $5,000 to $10,000 builds for multi-location companies, and you get that same caliber of work for a fraction. Now the piece that protects your reputation. A second segment is your broadcast list, defined as everyone except the people already in the visitor sequence. That exclusion is one filter, and it has a famous trap. The value has to be a number, not text, or it silently does nothing. Get it right, and a visitor who enters the sequence is automatically removed from every future cold blast. So nobody ever gets the mass email and the personal sequence at the same time. A small scheduled job ties it together. Every 15 minutes, it rebuilds the segments and advances the campaign. That is the whole loop. Visit, capture, sequence, suppress, and it runs without you. Every video you have seen on this page was generated by code, locally on the same box. The tool is Hyperframes. You write an animated web page, and it renders it to an MP4 frame by frame. The animation is just GSAP, the JavaScript animation library, driving plain HTML and CSS. The voice is a local text-to-speech model, with no cloud and no per-word billing. And the workflow is voice first, which is the key trick. You generate the narration audio first, transcribe it to get the exact timing of every word, and only then build the visuals to match. And that is why the words and the on-screen motion line up perfectly. A calm music bed is generated by another local model and tucked underneath the voice. One script chains it all: speak, transcribe, score, mix, and render. This very video was built with that exact pipeline. A follow-up email should not be a dead end, so each one is also a real web page. Every email in the 10-part sequence has a matching article at /learn/ its own name. Same fonts, same brand, and the same sticky bar as the main page. All 10 articles then roll up into one FAQ hub that answers the core questions about the offer. Each article shows up there as an expandable entry with a snippet and a read the full story link. The home page links into that hub with a teaser, so the content feeds itself. One Python script generates all of it from a single template, so the same words work 3 ways: as an email, as an article, and as an FAQ answer. Write once, publish everywhere, and let search engines find it. Shipping all of this is almost boring, which is exactly the point. The whole site is static files, so deploying is a single rsync to the server. Nginx serves the folder directly. There is no build to run and no container to restart. The one catch is the CDN cache, so updated videos get a version number on the end of the address to bust it. Everything, the page, the payment logic, the calendar, the automation, and the videos, lives on one machine that I own. There is no monthly software bill, no per contact pricing, and no company holding your customer list hostage. You own the code, you own the data, and you own the whole funnel. So that is the entire funnel, end to end. A static page takes the deposit. A client-side button handles the money with no secret exposed. A self-hosted calendar books the call, pre-filled from the payment. A self-hosted automation engine runs a 10-email sequence and never double sends. A local pipeline generates every video, and one template turns every email into a web page. All of it self-hosted, all of it yours, and no monthly bills. Now, this took real work to design and wire together, and you do not have to do it alone. If you want a working system like this built for your business in a day, that is exactly what I do. Go to mikey.ai